Hi, welcome to my channel Study to Success. In this video, I am going to show you how to do second derivative for the parametric equations. If you have not checked my previous video on single derivative of the parametric equations, I recommend you to check that video so that you will understand what is the definition for parametric equations. Okay, now let's get started with second derivative of the parametric equations. So as I've already told you, like in the previous video, that parametric equations is nothing but when two variables, for instance, x and y, that is commonly used in differentiation, is expressed with a common single parameter such as t, then that is called as parametric equations. So here, if you take a look, we have x is expressed in terms of t. Y is also expressed in terms of t. So when you are doing a derivative, so we need dx over dy over dx. So that's what we are going to do over here. Because this is second derivative, that means we have to find d squared y over dx squared. So first, let us do the derivative of x with respect to t. Over here we have y is equal to t cubed plus 4, or we have dy over dt is equal to 3t squared. What we want is d squared y over dx squared, which is going to be d over dt of dy over dt dy over dx times dt over dx. All right, so we have dt over dx in the form of dx over dt. But then what we have over here is dy over dt. So we have to find dy over dx, and then we have to differentiate whatever we have got with respect to t, multiply with dt over dx. So let's do dy over dx over here. Dy over dx is the single derivative, which is going to be dy over dt times dt over dx. Now what we have over here, dy over dt is 3t squared, dx over dt as 2t. So this is going to be 3t squared over 2t, because dt over dx. So dy over dx will be, we have t and t getting cancelled over here, that is squared and t, and hence we have dy over dx is equal to 3 over 2t. So this is single derivative. What we have to find is the second derivative. For that, let's differentiate dy over dx with respect to t. So what do we get over here? We get 3 over 2, because d over dt of t is going to be 1. Now we will put everything into our general expression. So d squared y over dx squared will be equal to 3 over 2 times dt over dx, dt over dx. So dt over dx will be 1 over 2t. Hence we have d squared y over dx squared is equal to 3 over 4t. Okay, let's do two more questions. So we have x equal to 4 sine t and y equal to 5 cos t. Now we have to differentiate dx over dt, which is equal to 4 cos t, because differential of sine is cosine. Here we have dy over dt is equal to minus 5 sine t. Differential of cosine is minus sine. We want dy over dx equal to, which is dy over dt times dt over dx. Dy over dt is minus sine t. Dt over dx is 1 over 4 cos t. This is dy over dx. Now we can write this as dy over dx equal to minus 5 over 4 sine t over cos t. What we want is d squared y over dx squared, which is going to be d over dt of dy over dx times dt over dx. So that means we have to differentiate dy over dx with respect to t. So what we got, dy over dx is minus 5 over 4 sine t over cos t. So we can use quotient rule, or else sine t over cos t is tan t. You can straight away use it, but I prefer to use quotient rule over here. If you have not checked my video on quotient rule, please check that video. I have made videos on quotient rule and product rule as well. So I'll apply quotient rule to this. So according to quotient rule, we have 4 cos t, and differential of minus 5 sine t will be minus 5 cos t minus, we have the numerator, since it is, okay, I'll write here minus 5 sine t, and differential of 4 cos t will be minus 4 sine t divided by 4 cos t the whole square. So this will give us d over dt of, I need to write again, it's understood. So I'll just write here equals, this is going to be minus 20 cos squared t, and this is positive, and again there is a negative over here, so it is negative 20 sine squared t over 4 squared, or let me write this as 4 cos t the whole squared, which is going to be, you take negative 20 as common factor, you get cos squared t plus sine squared t divided by 16 cos squared t. So this will be divisible by 4, 4 times 5 and 4 times 4. But cos squared plus sine squared is 1. So this is going to give us 1. So if you use the identity of trigonometric functions, you know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So that's what I'm going to use over here. So we have minus 5 over 4. This is what we get. Now we have to put everything together in this equation over here. So we have d squared y over dx squared equal to minus 5 over 4 cos squared t times dt over dx. Dx over dt is 4 cos t. Be 1 over 4 cos t, which is going to be this will be the solution for this question. Right. So we have question 3. We have to do the second derivative for this parametric equation. So we have dx over dt equal to e power t. Here we have dy over dt will be equal to 1 over t, because log of t is 1 over t when you differentiate. Next, we let us do dy over dx, which will be equal to dy over dt times dt over dx. So dy over dt is 1 over t. Dt over dx will be 1 over e power t. So we have dy over dx equal to 1 over t e power t. What we want is d squared y over dx squared, which is going to be d over dt dy over dx times dt over dx. So now we have to differentiate dy over dx. What we got dy over dx is 1 over t e power t. So I will write this as t to the power of minus 1 e power minus t. So this is going to be the product rule. So when you differentiate this, we have 1 t to the power of minus 1. Differential of e power minus t is going to be minus e power minus t plus e power minus t we have, and differential of minus t e power minus 1 is minus 2. It's minus t to the power of minus 2. So this is going to be minus 1 over t e power t minus 1 over e power t times t squared. So now we have to put everything together. We have d squared y over dx squared equal to 1 over e power t. Take minus 1 over e power t as a common factor for this term here. We have I mean, we can take even t common. So we get 1 minus 1 over t, sorry, plus. And then we have times 1 over e power t. Therefore, we have d squared y over dx squared equal to minus 1 over t e to the power 2t times t plus 1 over t. This will be the final answer. All right. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.